You've got a stock on your radar. You know where you think it's going, bullish or bearish. But then comes the hard part, choosing the right strategy. Do you buy long calls or sell credit spreads? Which strike, which expiration? This is where most options traders get stuck. Or worse, guess. Option Sense Symbol Ideas is built for exactly this. Here's how it works. Click Symbol Ideas. Search the stock. Let's say Tesla. Set your outlook, target price, target date, and max risk. Option Sense shows strategies that fit current market conditions and your criteria. These are data-backed starting points, not trade alerts. Click View Full Analysis to open the Strategy Builder. Review risk, Greeks, probabilities, and payoff charts. Then run what-if analysis. Adjust stock price or implied volatility and see how the trade reacts. If you have a view on a stock, Option Sense helps you choose the strategy. Try it free for a limited time.